Hey everybody, this is the Funsel's dual tip chrome markers. Now they did send me this product in exchange for a review, so this is a sponsored video. I'm going to give you my honest review on these and let's take a look at this product. Okay, now in the box it says the 1mm and 5mm sizes. It also tells me that we have 3 colors, 2 silver, 1 gold, and 1 copper. All right, on the back is a quick start guide to help us right here, so we're going to take a close look at this. Can be used on metal, glass, plastic, concrete, clay, stone, rubber. All right, so it says it's waterproof, high gloss, rich pigment, and quick dry. 2 silver, 1 gold, and 1 copper. The Funsel's dual tip chrome markers. So it's got tips on both sides. So if you need a finer tip on this side right there, and the thicker tip on this side right here. All right, let's go with the fine tip first. All right, we're gonna turn the tip with the tip pointing down so the ink can flow into the tip. Ah, there it is right there. Now you can see the ink has flown into the tip, flowed into the tip there. See how the tip is, it was clear. Now you can see the silver in the tip. Oh, nice. Very good. That is the fine tip right there. Now, let's take a look at it closely right here. I'm going to hold it for you right here so you can see it in action right here. I'm going to hold it up close and I'll draw a little smiley face. All right, a nice shiny chrome look to that. 3 colors total, 2 silver, 1 gold, and 1 copper. These are dual tip markers. Again, I'm using the thin side here. You can flip it over and take a look at the thick side right there. The lighter one is supposed to be the gold. The darker one looks like the copper. So let's all right, and we're gonna try the thicker side, the gold side here. You can see the tip right there. Let's see if we can get the ink to flow. All right, you can see the ink coming into the tip. All right, I think we about got it. Take a look here. Yep, very nice. So the nice gold look here. See what it looks like right there. So it's got that shiny look here, that metal look. These chrome markers, 2 silver, a gold, and a copper. All kinds of possibilities for these for whatever purpose you might need. Dual tip chrome markers from Funsel's. This is what I got. Maybe it'll work for you.